to another tour video. So today we have another beautiful garden. Haven't shared one for a while, so I hope you enjoy this one. It's an absolute beaut. So without further ado, let's get into the video. have it, just a short and sweet one, but I think you'll agree it was an absolute beautiful tropical English garden. I say English, but it's here in the UK. So just want to take this opportunity to say thank you very much as well, because we've just done over 100,000 views, which is absolutely incredible for my little channel. I'm really grateful for everyone who sort of tunes in and comes back to see me, so I do appreciate it, so thank you very much. So until the next one, guys, I'll see you.